Stuffed animal sleepover. Mission to Mars.
This just in, breaking news. Blue, the puppet, has gone missing at Mesa Public Library. Today we're talking to puppets who were last seen with Blue, and we're asking them what they thought happened to Blue.
I think Blue went to his home planet to visit his best friends.
I think Blue went to the store to buy some blueberry waffles.
I think Blue is in Peru. He's always been talking about visiting Machu Picchu.
This just in, Mesa Public Library has received a message from Blue on a printer.
I landed on Mars through a secret tunnel in the library that only appears at night. Only stuffed animals and puppets can fit through it. Send help!
We are forming a rescue team to find Blue. If you can help, please send your stuffed animals to Mesa Public Library. I can fly on Earth, but I can't fly here on Mars. I am so excited to be here. I wonder if there are any traces of Blue.
I think that's Blue's hair. That must be Blue's hair. Yeah, that's Blue's hair. Oh, I am so thankful you're all here. I must have been reading so many books about Mars that I just happened to appear here on the planet. Now help me go back home. Let's get Blue home. Let's to the library.